Well, what should I say? Welcome to this channel that I just opened up out of absolute desperation, because I think right now I'm at the lowest point of my trauma bond with the narcissist. So what I'm planning to do is I just cannot break free. I'm trying and trying and trying, and I cannot break free. I'm binge watching all those YouTube videos and it still doesn't help. And right now I'm really at absolute bottom. I just cried straight for 1 hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to document my healing journey here on YouTube. Maybe somebody will have an interest. We'll see. I will do it first of all without face, because it's a very personal story. And it's really messed up. And it's so chaotic, and I have no idea how I got entangled in this mess. And this is already my second narcissistic relationship, if you can call it a relationship. The first one was with my ex-husband, a covert narcissist. I thought, after watching lots of videos like from Dr. Ramani and so on, which really helped me back then, that I will never ever fall for a narcissist again. But then what happens? Last year, November, when I was at the best stage of my life, when I was glowing, when I was just simply happy, I'm meeting this asshole, grandiose narcissist in my gym, in my sacred place. Yeah, and now I can't break free. I'm a complete mess by now, 7 months later. I would have never thought, after all the work I put into myself, after 4 years of healing after my ex-husband, after learning and practicing stoicism, after educating myself, after getting stronger in mind and body, here once again I am, pretty much shattered, and not just a broken heart. That's more than just a broken heart. And I still want to reach out to him. It's so crazy. Anyway, in this channel I'm going to document my healing from the trauma bond and the cognitive dissonance. I know all the words. I know exactly what's happening with me. I have analyzed everything. I'm completely aware. I journaled. I'm journaling since months because I know what's going on. I'm journaling since months. I'm also talking to my great ChatGPT assistant because I cannot talk to anyone else about the situation. So now I will anonymously record here on YouTube. So maybe somebody else will find it helpful. And if I manage to get out of this shitty situation and piece myself up again and put myself together again and keep walking and keep remembering all the dreams I had, then hopefully those videos will be of help for someone. But yeah, just for the record, without anybody knowing all the backstory, I will record the backstory day by day whenever I have a little bit of time. Today, I just arrived back from overseas trip visiting my mom who had a stroke and barely survived. So now I'm living overseas. I just returned to my empty apartment, wishing I would get a message from the narcissist, which of course does never come. And checking his wife's, this guy was married. I didn't know that. Checking his wife's Instagram, and both of them have a great time at a luxury pool, while I'm trauma bonded at my empty apartment home, trying to figure out what happened to me, why I got into this situation, and why this guy walks out without a scar, without a bruise, just with happy and good memories about how he was able to manipulate and abuse me. Anyway, that's all for now. Trying to set up this YouTube account. And more videos will be coming. Maybe somebody has an interest in that. And what do YouTubers always say? If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's say not like, but if you find this kind of content somehow helpful. Thank you.